Hi, I'm Tim at Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester, and I'm going to show you a closer look at this Traveller. This is the Allure standard wheelbase, so it's the 8-seat with the full leather interior. Front seats are heated, electric with massage function. I'm sure you'll agree this is a very nicely spec car, so let's take a closer look. There we have it. If you've got a lot of people or things to carry and you want to do it in luxury, this is your car. So come and take a closer look and take a test drive, see how this will work for you, and give us a call on 01305 266 066. Thanks for watching.